By the end of this video, you'll be able to pick up and drag objects using your mouse. I'm going to start off by making 3 squares, but you can do more if you want to. I'm going to make sure that each of these squares are separated and they each have their own box collider and rigid body 2D set to default settings. Now I'm going to make a floor so the cubes don't just follow the world. I'm also going to make an interactable object just to play around with. I'm going to mess around with the colors, but you can really do whatever you want regarding those. Now when we click play, the whole scene falls, so we want to freeze the position of the floor. Now when we click play, only the cubes fall, but we can move them around. Let's change that by selecting those 3 cubes and creating a new script that I'm just going to call pickup script. Now we're going to want to open up the script, and the first thing we're going to do is replace the start function with a bool called pressed and set that to false. Now we're going to want to create a void called onMouseDown, and this is going to be set to pressed is equal to true. Then we're going to want to copy paste that and set it to onMouseUp and pressed is equal to false. Then in the update function, we're going to want to write an if then statement and say if pressed, then vector2 mouse pause equals camera.main.screen-to-world point input.mouse position. Then on the second line of the if then statement, we're going to want to write transform.position equals mouse pause. Then on void onMouseDown, we're going to want to write getComponent rigid body 2D, make sure to capitalize the D, is kinematic equal to true. Then we're going to want to copy paste this into the onMouseUp except change true to false. Then we're going to want to save the script and head back into Unity. And now you can drag and drop blocks. If this tutorial was informative to you, please consider liking or even subscribing. Thank you for watching.